In our video today, we're going to be pranking someone with this box by putting it in their front yard and putting it up their door and knocking on it. Then they're just going to think they just got a free vacuum, but when they pick it up, there's going to be nothing in it. When they open it, there's nothing in it. Alright, so see you when we do the prank. Alright guys, he's putting it up there. He's putting it up. He's putting it in this person's yard. Put it up there. Put it up there. Put it up there. No, go. You're gonna get me in trouble. Did not work. Doing it again. Snap. No, it's not working. Did not work. Look at it open. Ah, it's already good. Oh. Go again and like bang on the door. No. Go bang on the door. Did not work. He's going to sit. Do it again. He's going to do it again. Go to this corner. I'll catch you guys when something funny happens. Alright guys, we over here chilling in the shade. Alright, let's go catch it.
Video?
Oh, it's Calvin, your dad wants you.